today's video is actually from my new house in LA. We moved to LA last week, and I'm so happy. It's so weird that I actually feel at home already. I feel like we'll be so active in LA because the weather's so perfect. We actually went on a hike this morning. I came back sweaty, took a shower, and now I'm gonna get ready, and I decided to film for you guys. So I'm here in comfy pajamas and I'll just get ready really quickly to go to lunch. So first thing I do is I already applied this to give me a glow, but beauty water, elixir all over my face. I did my brows already, and I had curled my hair last night because I was out. So my roots are a bit oily, and I always, every day before I leave the house at night and in the morning, I apply dry shampoo. So the trick is when you apply it, you let it sit for 30 seconds and then you massage the roots so that the white powder works into your hair, okay? So we wait. And then I like to flip the hair down, massage the roots over again, massage a bit more so that it penetrates, okay? And then once I do that, you can run your fingers through it. I just let it sit and I do my makeup. And thank you IGK for partnering up with me in this video. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you for making this product. I'm obsessed for a few months now, so thank you. So moving on to makeup, I'm not really gonna talk much because it's a very simple makeup that I'm gonna do, but I'll make sure to list all the products down below, okay? Okay, I'm ready. I hope you guys like this get ready with me, and I will see you next time. Stay beautiful.